Welcome to Hook to Knot. In the Spiderman series, in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how I make my Spiderman beanie matching to the cardigan. For this, I am going to need yarn in 3 colors: red, white and black, 3.5 mm crochet hook, a darning needle, my favorite pair of scissors. In my sweater, my pattern is 3 lines in red color and 1 line in black, and that is what I am going to follow in my beanie. I started with 12 DC in the magic ring. My increase is only up to line number 7. I have maintained the pattern of 3 lines in red color and 1 line in black. After 7th line, it's all DC on DC, and after the required height is done, I have done the border with front post and back post. Always remember to take the head circumference of the child for whom you are going to make this beanie. Now that my basic beanie is ready, I need to convert it into Spiderman beanie. I have folded my beanie half. Now where do I fold? Wherever my joint is. Now on this portion, I will have vertical lines and I will put the eyes. And on the back side, I will not add any vertical lines. I will just add my spider. This is how my beanie will look after I have put the markings with pins. It's always better to have some guidance before you actually start your work, because frogging these additional threads can really spoil your beanie. So after this, I am ready for work. I have done work with single strand on my sweater, so I am doing it with single strand. If you like bolder version of web, please do it with 2 strands of black color. This is how the beanie will look after putting vertical lines. Now you have multiple choices. You can put vertical lines all around the beanie. You can put spider on this side and eyes on back side, or you can put eyes here and spider on the plain back side, whatever suits you. So please do it your way. There is no standard design for this. You can always add your creative touch to your project. So I am going to cut the yarn and I am going to put eyes in the web, and my spider will be on the free space. These are the eyes I have created for beanie. Creating them is very easy. With white yarn, I will make the center portion and then 1 line of SC around it. Let me show you how I make it. Make a moving knot. Start chaining. After 8 chains, leaving first chain from the hook, slip stitch into the second one, single crochet in the next one, half double crochet in the next one, double crochet in the next one, again half double crochet in the next one, single crochet in the next one, and slip stitch in the last one. This is how I have created the basic eye. Make a moving knot. I generally choose to join the yarn at the opposite side where my ends are. Now I am going to do 3 single crochet in the corner. 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet in next, single crochet in next, single crochet in next. Now 2 single crochet in the next. See, it will give little bit of a point, and then again I will continue with line of single crochet. Now here in the corner I am going to do 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 and 3, and I will continue my line of single crochet. On the upper side I have not added any extra single crochet to give that point, and on the lower side only there is extra single crochet near the DC. See this, simple and easy. One eye is ready. I'll do it one more time. We'll have 2 eyes. I am going to put my spider on the back side of the beanie, and this time I am joining the head and the body of the spider first. We'll do its placement. Put some pins around it, and then we'll start my work. Here also I am going to do the stuffing. And my spider beanie is ready to match with my Spiderman sweater. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot. If you have any questions related to my project, please feel free to write in the comments. This is my Spiderman sweater, and this is the beanie which will go with it. So when I'm having spider in the front, I'll prefer to wear beanie with eyes in the front.